You gonna come down and see him again? Get him, Melvin. What does he want? What does that little bird want? Get him.
That's so funny. You want a friend?
Aww.
He doesn't want you anymore. Here, I got a gift for you. There you go.
Give me the stick. I'll demolish the stick. I can't get what I want. I'll take it out of the stick.
So we need cheese curds because it's National Cheese Curd Day. Did you hear that video, people? It's National Cheese Curd Day.
Mary doesn't care about pets. She just wants cheese.
I can't.
He's like poking the stick out there. Here, I'll share the stick with you. Come play with me.
Probably thinks it's one of my pencils.
Give him a stick he can actually chew.
I'm gonna lift you up onto the pillow. Isn't that working?
Put a seat up there. He'll go up there.
Nah, he'd rather be on the floor. He's picking out the hay on the floor.